Let's start packing now. In April, Taiwan experiences warm and mild weather, with temperatures ranging from around 20 degrees, 68 degrees, to 27 degrees, 81 degrees, although variations exist across different regions. The north may have slightly cooler temperatures compared to the south. For clothing, lightweight and breathable attire is suitable for daytime activities. However, it's advisable to bring along a light jacket or sweater for cooler evenings, especially if you plan to be out late. Additionally, packing an umbrella or a raincoat is recommended due to the possibility of rain showers, particularly in the afternoons or evenings. Here's a summary of what to pack for your trip to Taiwan in April. Lightweight and breathable clothing for daytime wear. A light jacket or sweater for cooler evenings. An umbrella or raincoat to prepare for occasional rain showers. Comfortable walking shoes, as you may explore various outdoor attractions and markets. Sunscreen and sunglasses to protect yourself from the sun's rays. Insect repellent, especially if you plan to spend time outdoors in areas where mosquitoes are prevalent. Don't forget to pack comfortable sneakers and sturdy walking shoes. Keep in mind that some hotels in Taiwan have gone green and may not provide toothbrushes and toothpaste, so remember to bring your own. Additionally, some hotels may not provide hair conditioner, so bring your own if needed. And for hot spring activities, don't forget to bring along a swimsuit, swimming cap, shorts, and slippers. By packing accordingly, you'll be well prepared to enjoy your visit to Taiwan in April. For the things you must bring, your passport, necessary visas, and student ID and personal medications. Swimming cap and swimsuit, as we'll be visiting hot springs. One large suitcase and one carry-on suitcase. If you have allergies or dietary restrictions, bring nutritional supplements or required medications tailored to your individual needs. For carry-on luggage regulations, typically, the standard dimensions for a carry-on bag are approximately 22 inches in length, 14 inches in width, and 9 inches in height. For passenger safety, certain items are strictly prohibited in carry-on luggage, such as sharp objects, firearms, ammunition, matches, lighters, and e-cigarettes. All liquids must be stored in containers with a capacity of no more than 100 milliliters. If traveling with multiple containers, place all containers in a clear, resealable plastic bag with a maximum capacity of 1 liter or less. 1 bag per person. Now talk about Taiwan entry regulations. Each person is not allowed to carry more than 200 cigarettes. Complete prohibition of electronic cigarettes. The total quantity of alcohol is limited to 1 liter. This is something you cannot bring into Taiwan, please be aware. Forbidden items include any dried meat, shredded meat, canned goods, instant noodles containing dehydrated meat, etc.